Hey guys, welcome to BONOSS Wheel Spacers unofficial channel. I'm Grace. In this video, let's see what is the difference after installing the 30mm wheel spacers on your Land Rover Discovery. Let's go. Spacers are installed between the wheel and the wheel hub assembly, and it can locate the wheel fender away from the wheel hub assembly rotor, widening the track width. This in turn improves the amount of road holding that your wheels have in shaped corners, making the vehicle more stable. The wheel spacers can also affect the balance of the vehicle handling performance. For example, if you only install wheel spacers in the back, then you will get more grab in the rear. BONOSS wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge makes the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent techniques, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This melt has good mechanical properties compared with installed standards. Once again, my name is Grace. If you like our videos, please give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.